Good King Wenceslas from the beginning. First thing we need to talk about is getting through measure 3 and measure 7. When you go to play D, C, D, E, it's the first time we've really had to play a lot of fingers at the same time. So make sure you practice that. Other thing is in measure 2, when you have F, F, C. A lot of students may have trouble getting from F down to low C. Be sure to plant your fingers down really quick, all 3 covered at the same time. You don't want to have any gaps in the finger space there. You don't want any of those kind of sounds, or heaven forbid, squawks or something. The next thing we want to talk about is at the end of the song, the 2 dots are a repeat sign. It means to play the whole thing again. As you'll notice, this song is actually comprised of 2 4-measure phrases. This first 4 measures is the same as the second 4 measures. And when you have the repeat built in there, you've got to do it again, another 4 plus 4. 4 times 4 altogether is 16. Let's go math. Keep that in mind as you're practicing. Make sure you have the facial endurance. You've practiced it several times so that you know you've got enough muscle strength here to sustain it. Lastly, we need to talk about your tempo for this song. Your tempo needs to be 88 beats per minute, just like it's assigned to you. If you practice slower, that is okay. You're allowed to do that. But make sure you increase the tempo as you practice and get yourself to a point where you can get up to 88. If for some reason you can't get it up to 88 within like a week's time, give it some more time to simmer. Keep practicing it here and there. But definitely send me a video so I can get you a grade. And this is the true last thing, which is our headphones and our being able to hear just ourselves. When you hit the blue playback button on Smart Music after you've recorded, make sure you can hear just yourself and not the accompaniment, not the my part, and not the metronome. If you're using your headphones correctly, all that should be correct and you just hear your beautiful clarinet sound. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for playing. Look forward to hearing you. Bye-bye.